Hey everyone, my name is Antonio and welcome to my money journey. Here on the channel I share my journey in the world of trading and of course the achievements it has brought me along the way. Today's video is a special one because after months of hard work in the market, late nights of studying, take some losses but also catching some great wins, it's finally time to open a gift I bought myself, the DJI Neo 4K drone. So stick with me until the end, because I'm not just doing the unboxing, I'm also gonna tell you why I choose this model, how I plan to use it to create content, and most importantly, how trading make this dream come true. Let's open this beauty up. This is a DJI Neo 4K drone, a versatile self-drawn FPV. I don't use the drone professionally. I just wanted a drone to have some unusual adventures and record moments in a unique way. Now, let's see what's inside the box. Let's start by separating everything that comes inside the box. Here we have the DJI Neo 4K. Surprisingly light but super beautiful in my opinion. Then we move on to this small box that brings accessories and the drone manuals. Here's the charger. It already came with 3 batteries included that last about 12 minutes each, some spare parts and the remote to control the drone. And finally here are the goggles that will allow me to have the first-person view experience. Now here are some takes that I took with this drone. Alright guys, that's it. For me, this isn't just a drone. This is a reflex of hard working and consistency. Don't forget to like the video, turn on the notification bell and subscribe my money journey. Besides of more unboxing videos, I will bring to you more videos about mentality and strategies to grow up on the market. I hope you enjoy it and see you next time.
4 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
See you next time. Bye.